Hey, what's up, high levelers? It's Andrew, and I'm excited to show you how you can install popular WordPress plugins while you're creating your WordPress site right within HighLevel. Let's dive right in. To add WordPress plugins to your websites within HighLevel, simply navigate to your sub account and then go to Sites, WordPress, and if you already have created a site but haven't completed setup yet, you can click Complete Setup, or you can create a new site by clicking Create Site and paying accordingly. Now, once you have your site and you're in the setup process, we'll get to this screen where we can fill in the details below to create our new site, like our website name, username, password for our admin, our email, and then right here we can see our popular plugins list. This is a really great interactive menu where we can see all of our different plugins on the first screen. We can click recommended to see recommended plugins, e-commerce, security and performance, and portfolio. Those are our other filters to view all of our WordPress plugins. Now this is really cool because then we can select any of these plugins just like this using the checkboxes. And then once we've selected the plugins that we want to use, we can simply click Create WordPress Site. And then all of these plugins will be added to our WordPress site just like that. This is really cool because what it does is it streamlines the WordPress website creation process within HighLevel by allowing you to add plugins while you're creating the site. Now, if a plugin wasn't listed on that screen, you can always search for additional plugins afterwards by navigating into your website and then going to plugins. This is where you can look for all the other WordPress plugins that might not have been added in that list that we just saw earlier. But here we can see the two plugins that we turned on already while we were creating the site are automatically added within our website as it was created here in WordPress. And of course, you can turn on or off additional plugins on this screen after you've created your website. This is just within our website that's been created. When we click manage, we can navigate to plugins and manage everything very easily from this screen. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.